Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Kebabs are among summer favorites. On the site, I have many recipes such as yakitori chicken, Greek ouzo, Turkish, Hawaiian teriyaki shrimp kebabs, and more. Let's add another one to this yummy list, my boti kebabs. With a delicious marinade made with yogurt, spices, and papaya, the super easy beef recipe is perfect to enjoy with naan bread. It's so tasty. So let's get cooking. In a small skillet over medium heat, we'll add coriander seeds as well as cumin seeds. We'll toast them until fragrant and lightly brown, shaking the pan occasionally. That should take about 2 minutes at the most. We'll remove from the heat and drop it in either a spice grinder or a mortar. We'll grind the seeds to a fine powder and then transfer to a large bowl. To this, we'll add plain yogurt, a couple tablespoons of ghee, followed by freshly squeezed lemon juice, some minced ginger, and 4 large cloves of pressed garlic. We'll also add garam masala, which is a gorgeous Indian spice blend, then smoked paprika, as well as ground turmeric and cayenne pepper. Next, in a jar or blender, we'll add papaya and a little bit of beef broth. We'll put the lid on and process into a smooth paste. We'll now add the papaya mixture to the bowl and stir until nicely blended, then set aside. By the way, it smells incredible. All right, let's take care of our beef cubes. We'll season generously with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper before adding them to the papaya spice mixture. We'll stir very well, making sure all the beef cubes are nicely coated with the mixture, pushing the meat down if necessary, cover, and transfer to the fridge for 18 to 24 hours. The next day, we'll take the bowl out of the fridge, uncover, and bring the meat to room temperature. About 30 minutes later, we're ready to assemble the skewers. We'll start with a piece of red pepper, followed with a piece of red onion, and then a beef cube, leaving a little gap between each ingredient, which is important to do so the kebabs can cook evenly. We'll repeat the same order, finishing with a red pepper. I usually end up with 6 beef cubes per skewer. All right, let's move on to the barbecue. We'll bring the temperature between 500 to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, using tongs, we'll pour a little canola oil on a piece of paper towel and brush the grates with it. This prevents the meat from sticking. When the temperature is reached, we'll place the skewers on the hot grates, close the lid, and cook for 12 minutes, rotating every 3 to 4 minutes, or until the internal temperature of the beef reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll serve them immediately with yogurt. And my friends, these are our boti kebabs. These tasty brochettes are packed with flavor. This is a delicious item to put on a barbecue this summer. I hope you give them a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!